Hello everybody. Oh man, I am looking rough. Yeah, so welcome back. As you can see, we already did my brows, and then we went in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and we're putting that all over our eyelid. And as you can see, we are using Jeffree Star's Mini Breaker and Jawbreaker. This palette, you guys, it is ridiculous. It is amazing, and I absolutely love it. We went in with bubblegum on that one. And then we decided to go in with Foreplay, and this is still the Mini Breaker. We're doing quite a look today. Then we went in with the Purple Punch, and that was the middle of Mini Breaker. Next, we went in with the Jaja Baby Jawbreaker, and for this one, we are going in with Brain Freeze. I hope you guys are doing fabulous. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I love this look. I loved this makeup. Next, we took the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and we are carving out our cut crease. I can't get over these palettes, you guys. Like, seriously, this was probably money so worth, like, so well spent. It's not even funny. Then we went in with Wow from Jawbreaker, and we are going to be putting that kind of in the inner corner V of our eyes. Then we went in with Suck, and this is kind of the orangey-ish color that's in his palette. And you guys, I am just flustered. I am really flustered with this makeup. It is ridiculous. And then we went in with a Cherry Wet. This is a very, very pretty, I want to say pinkish red, although the red definitely takes over in it, but it's absolutely beautiful. And then we went in with Raspberry. This one's more of a burgundy red, purplish, and it's very dark and it's beautiful. Now we took the concealer again, and now we are just carving out that wing. I really got to get some makeup wipes. I don't like using concealer on this part because I find that it just blurs everything and it doesn't look right. Then we went in with Drug Lord from Jeffree Star, and this is his liquid lipstick, and we are carving out the crease and putting that on top of it. Oh yes, look at it. My inner Jeffree Star is coming out, if you guys couldn't tell. I hope you guys have had a fabulous couple of weeks or days, however long it's been. It's been a while since I posted a video, but it just have been a lot of things going on and just working my little butt off. Oh my god, look at, oh. Next, we took the e.l.f. Aqua Primer Mist, and we are just going to be putting that all over our face. And then we're using the Bye Bye Foundation by ITcosmetics. This is seriously my all-time favorite foundation ever now. Like, it is amazing. Yes, it does kind of have a funky smell to it, but that's only because of the sunscreen in it. But it is seriously my all-time favorite foundation. Look at that coverage. It is ridiculous, and it's beautiful. I absolutely love this foundation. And it fits my pigmentation so well. You can't even tell the difference between my neck and my face now. It is spectacular. Then here we took the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and we are just putting that wherever you put your concealer. Blend, girl, blend. Then we went in the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Fair, and we're just putting that all over our face. How else can you explain powder? I guess we could say you pat it. Next, we are going in with the NYX Glitter Primer, and we are putting that kind of in the inner V of our eye. And we do have new glitters in my store. It's Zombiegirlcosmetics. This one is Rotten Banana. You guys, this yellow glitter is, oh my god, look at it. It is amazing. Oh, I love it so much. Look at it. It is so beautiful. I really hope you guys get a chance to see this. It is, yeah, I'm speechless. Then we went back in with a Jawbreaker, and we are going in with, I think that one was raspberry. Can't remember. And then we took the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, of course, and we're just blending in with our eyelashes. Next, we went in with the BhCosmetics BlackLight highlighter, and we are going in with this pretty pink Illusion. And this one is a beautiful highlighter pink. It is amazing. It comes out purple. It's really, really awesome how it does this. Oh, I do have some news. I do have a few little stands coming in the mail and a new backdrop, and I'm just so excited. This backdrop is so pretty. I can't wait for you guys to see it. I feel like it'll really definitely make my videos pop a little bit more. Next, we went in with the Pro Concealer and Contour by Profusion, and we are going in with the light contour, and we are just lightening up, or contouring our cheeks, not lighting up. Next, we went in with the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick, and we are going in with Flamboyant. This is actually the first time I've ever used this lipstick, and I am absolutely in love with it, and I thought it went well with this makeup, like cake. Oh, I'm speechless with this makeup. I really, really am. And this is it, you guys. This is the final look for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and leave me a like down below, subscribe, or hit notifications, hit the little bell, whatever you guys want to do. It really makes my day. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. These palettes I am speechless with these palettes. Seriously. But I will see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned. It's going to be a big one.